Hi, welcome to the Z Gym. Welcome to the Lifted Butt series workout number 3. This workout is yoga inspired. So just follow me, try to keep up with me rep by rep, and let's do this. So we're gonna start with the flow. Start at the edge of your exercise mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Look at your knees. Stretch. Inhale into flat back. Exhale, hands on the ground. And step into the plank. Now exhale to chaturanga, bend your elbows, go all the way down. Inhale into upward dog. Exhale into downward dog. And then step with your right leg forward into high lunge. Hold this position for a second. Get comfortable. And then step with your left leg forward. And we're gonna be doing backward lunges, 20 reps. You're gonna be stepping back with your left leg. So go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 more. 11, 12, keep your body upright. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last one, 20. Arms up. Place your hands down, step back into the plank. We're gonna do again chaturanga, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Stretch. Now you're gonna step with your left leg forward into high lunge again. Try to get comfortable in this position. Step up. And we're gonna do 20 backward lunges with your right leg. So get ready and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now step back with your right leg again. Arms up. Now place your arms down onto the mat. Step back into the plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Get down on your knees. And now we're gonna be doing fire hydrants exercise. So, make sure that you brace your abs. Don't arch your back too much. And you're gonna be lifting your legs up, squeezing your butt. Keep your knee in 90-degree angle. We're doing 20 reps. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Now we're gonna switch legs. We're gonna do the same thing on the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Get into the plank, chaturanga, upward dog, exhale, downward dog, and on your knees again. Now we're gonna be doing leg lifts. So extend your left leg back, and we're gonna be lifting our left leg up until you feel your glutes squeezing. We're gonna do 20 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And into the plank, chaturanga, upward dog, exhale, downward dog, and again on your 4, and this time we're gonna be doing these fire hydrant kicks. So you're gonna keep your knee again in 90-degree angle, and you're just gonna be kicking your heel up towards the ceiling. So get ready, we're gonna do 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And into the plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. And I want you to jump forward and get into the armchair position. Now place your hands on your knees, and we're gonna be lifting one leg back as you stand up on the other leg, and arms goes overhead. Hands on the knees again. You're gonna lift the other leg back. That's 2. 3, squeeze your glutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Stand up, roll your shoulders back, and that's it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this workout, that you had a great stretch. This one has been focusing on your butt as well, but it's one of the easier workouts, lighter workouts in this series. So I suggest that you mix this workout in to your schedule as well, because you don't want to go too much intensity all week long. You know, you want to kind of spread it out and do 1 day intensive, 1 day lighter, or 2 days intensive, 1 day lighter. You know, just make sure that you vary your intensity, and that's it. So enjoy your day. Make sure that you're eating clean, that you're not sabotaging your workouts with your diet, and I will see you guys soon in the Z Gym. Ciao.